Aspirin makes your iron look brand new, shiny, and sparkling. But it wasn't always like that. A burnt iron is a nightmare, but I have a genius solution. Take 2 aspirin tablets and dissolve them in a bowl of water. Stir until the aspirin completely dissolves. Now, take a microfiber cloth and soak it in the solution. When the iron is still warm, but not hot, scrub the entire bottom of the iron with the dissolved aspirin, paying special attention to the most burnt spots. See how dirty the cloth gets? That's proof that aspirin works wonders. After a few scrubs, your iron will start to shine like new. Then, take a clear lip balm and gently rub it on the iron surface. Use a piece of paper towel to polish the iron until it's dry. This simple trick can save your iron, and you won't have to buy a new one, saving you a lot of money.